Hi friend, in this video I will tell you how you can register while you are registering to Binance. It looks something crazy, but it is real. Binance did this. While you are registering to Binance, you will get money, and I will tell this to you in today. And I took a coffee. Let's start the video. I entered my Binance account. You can see. We will come here, just wait, and click the referral. Okay, this is my referral page. Invite friends, earn crypto together. Okay, earn up to 40% commission every time your friends make a trade on Binance. It is very good. In here, generate your referral link. What is this? Many people don't know what is this. In this video I will tell you what is this and how you can use it to you for you, and you will get more money. Okay, for example, you bought some Bitcoin. It is $10,000 on Binance, and Binance take 0.10 commission percent from you, and so you will get $9,990 and $10 gone. This $10, $8 to Binance, $2 to who registrant referral. For example, you uh, you register to you sign up to Binance from any referral link, so that referral link owner will get these $2. Binance announced these news. It said, for example, $2 to referral, $1. For example, 1 second. Okay, $2. Keep this. Generate your referral link. I took to 10. You receive 10. Friend receive 10%. What is this? Just click invite now, and I get a commission kickback rate. Okay, this is commission kickback rate. You can see the my referral link. Okay, and you can see here I just copy. Okay, I entered to this link, and you can see this is referral. Your commission kickback rate is 10%. Oh, that's crazy. What is this? I say $2 to, for example, I give you a referral link, this link. Okay, and you sign up from via my link, this link. Friends receive 0%. Okay, and if you bought Bitcoin for $10,000, I will get $2. But if you registered via this link, 10% friend receive, you will get $1, and I will get $1. And this is very crazy. Binance did this, and it is fantastic. It is very important. So you can, if you are not if you already member of Binance, okay, forget that link. I will give you for this video this 10% friend receive link to you. If you register from this link, you will get money. All your trade you will get money if you sign up to Binance from my link, and I will give you that to above the video. You can use it, and then you can generate your referral link. This is very crazy. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please just click the like button, and see you to the next video.